Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to book a flight on kayak.com. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to kayak.com. On the home page, make sure the Flights tab at the top is selected. It should be highlighted in orange. Now enter your departure and destination cities. Next, choose your travel dates and leave it as one adult in economy class. Click the search button and Kayak will load a new page with all available flight options. Here, you'll see different flights listed with prices, airlines and durations. To narrow down your choices, use the filters on the left sidebar. You can filter by direct flights only, airlines, takeoff or landing time, number of stops, and more. At the top, you can sort flights by cheapest, best or quickest. Let's leave it on best for now. Once you find a flight that suits you, click the select button. For example, we'll pick a WestJet flight to Toronto and a Flair Airlines flight back. On the next page, you'll see fare types like Basic, Econo or Flex. Choose the one that fits your needs. Kayak also compares prices from multiple websites. Scroll down to see where you can book this flight and at what cost. When you're ready, click the book button next to your preferred site. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.